Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen at the Chicken Box, and today I'm going to do something I've never done before for y'all. Never have I done this. I'm going to make you something today that I don't eat. I don't like. You heard me? I don't like it.
Like what?
I don't like it. I don't like what we're making today. Blue cheese dressing, but you'll see. There's a reason why I'm making blue cheese dressing. Y'all have to stay tuned. It's coming up soon. But today we're going to do a homemade blue cheese dressing. We make it homemade for our restaurant here. It's very easy. I'll pass, thank you, but I'm happy to make it for you. Our recipe today, very, very, very easy. We're going to take a little bit of sour cream. Let me see, what do we got? 2 tablespoons. You know, I'm terrible about measuring. So we're going to go 1, 2. Now, blue cheese on a chicken wing, I kind of like that a little bit more than I like it on a salad.
I almost called and asked you, but this is such a good recipe.
That's okay.
That comes with the next one,
And then we're
which
going
is
to
my favorite. So
3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise with our sour cream. And to this, I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper.
and Jamie, your mom always insisted that this be fresh made for the restaurant, if I remember correctly.
Yeah, Mom's big on dictating how things are done. That is true. Now, horseradish. This is interesting. 1.5 teaspoons of horseradish. Woo, I didn't realize that. That'll light you up. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do first, y'all. I'm going to mix this up, then I'm going to add our blue cheese. Just told Teresa, y'all, this isn't very much dressing. And she reminded me that we're not making it for the restaurant. We're making it for 2 to 4 people. Because we've got, should I tell you? Coming up in the next video, we're going to be doing my favorite. I'm going to go from something I don't like to my favorite. I love wedge salads. We're going to put together a wedge salad with homemade blue cheese dressing, although I might have ranch. So I've got everything in here. We got our mayonnaise, we got our horseradish, we got our sour cream, we got our black pepper. Now the star of the show, expired cheese. It's blue and moldy. It's
And very good.
time to throw it out.
Stop. Blue cheese dressing is really, really good.
I know that people really do love it.
And homemade is really good.
And there we have it. I think I'm going to put a little bit more black pepper on here. I'm not going to question my mom's recipe. It sure does seem like we could use a shot of milk in here or something. Or maybe I'm trying to make ranch.
Yes.
And not blue cheese. All right, y'all. All right. Let me get a spoon. It's part of the deal. There's no getting out of it.
So dramatic, Jamie.
Thanks for tuning in today, y'all. I'm Jamie Deen. And this is good food.
With a face like that.
We'll see y'all around the kitchen. It is good, but it is blue cheese. Thanks, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.